Sentence structure part 2.
Let's take a look at two more situations. First situation, you have two objects in a sentence. One example, ich schenke meinem Vater ein Buch. We got two nouns in different cases. Meinem Vater is dative, ein Buch is accusative. In that case, the order is always da, dative, accusative. I just doubled it because da sounds so much more memorable than da. But what if we changed an element into a pronoun? One example, ich schenke ihm ein Buch. As you can see, the pronoun always comes before a noun. That's a standard rule, a general rule. Let's change the accusative then. Ich schenke es meinem Vater. And you see the pronoun is again before the noun. And what if we have two pronouns? No problem. Ich schenke es ihm. And you see here the order changes to accusative dative. Or you can remember accusative personal pronouns first. This is all you need to know about object order. Let's take a look at total sentence order. And for that we have a little animal, or actually a huge animal, to help us with the structure. Let's say you have the following sentence. Ich fahre am Montag mit dem Auto zu meiner Mutter. Let's actually expand that. Ich fahre am Montag wegen ihres Geburtstags zu meiner Mutter. Am Montag is information about time, which in grammar terms is called temporal information, temporal. Then we have wegen ihres Geburtstags, because of her birthday, that's a cause, yeah, causal. Then we have mit dem Auto, which is modal, how we get there, yeah, modal information. And then zu meiner Mutter, that's a local information, to my mother. And to remember this order, which is a standard order, it doesn't mean you cannot break it, yeah, but if you create sentences, it will help you to write nicely formed sentences. So the animal I've been talking about is the tea camel. It's a German tea camel. It only drinks German tea, yeah, the best tea in the world. So T for T for temporal, K of the camel for causal, M for modal, and L for local. This is the standard sentence order. Now, lucky for you, we rarely have such long sentences, and you can reduce the tea camel to a very simple rule of thumb: Zeit vor Ort, time before place. In English, that's very often different. So keep that in mind. In German, we mentioned the time earlier, and you might remember that because Germans are a little bit more, how to say, particular when it comes to time and timing and being punctual. So time before place. These are the basic rules you should keep in mind. Make sure to go through the exercises, and this will not cause you much trouble in the future. Vielen Dank für deine Aufmerksamkeit und weiterhin viel Vergnügen mit deinem Deutsch.